Hi children, how are you? I feel very happily meet again you and also once again congratulations to all children. We will learn about new things today. Already I told you once again thanks to our principal sir Raja Rao sir. We will begin the lesson. Already we have learned about some things in previous class. We will learn again new things for you. 8th standard lesson 1 from the some topics I would like explain you. Listen carefully. First of all, last lesson what I told you, did you understand about that? The who were earliest map makers? Who were earliest map makers? I told that Sumerians and Babylonians were earliest map makers. Like that, remaining difference between the map and a photograph we have learned about them. That's why today we will learn about another new things. We will learn about another map makers. And not only Sumerians and Babylonians only map, not only map makers. Remaining Arab map makers also have, and Greek map makers also have, and in the 15th centuries, 16th centuries, so many map makers have you. That's why I would like to explain you today's topic. First of all, today's topic cartography and cartographer. First one, meaning of the cartography. What is the meaning of the cartography? What is the meaning of the cartography? Cartography means maps making is called a map making is called cartography. Cartographer, those who was map maker. Cartographer means who was map maker. Difference between cartography means maps making. Cartographer means who was map maker. Like that, we will learn from them. First of all literacy. Who was all literacy? All literacy was a Arab map maker. One of the tribe Arab we have taken one of the tribe, best example for the one of the nation or one of the tribe Arab map maker who was al Idrisi. Arab map maker prepared wall maps for his king in 1154. Who was al Idrisi? Al Idrisi was a Arab map maker. Al Idrisi was a Arab mapper. Why was prepared the maps for his king? For his king. Prepared wall maps. When was prepared? In 1154. In 1154. Prepared R. Idrisi. Next, later one thing again. In the 15th century, Ptolemy also prepared. In the 15th century, Ptolemy also one of the map maker prepared maps. In the 15th century, why was Ptolemy prepared the 15th maps? So during the 15th century, Ptolemy inspired a new enthusiasm in non-Arabic world and some important schools, the Italian school, the French school, the English school, the German school, grew up formerly. It happened to begin years of discovery and explorations, which flourished map and its importance. The Arab had blocked the trade route to India across the Mediterranean Sea. West European traders from Spain, Portugal, Holland, and England began to set for other routes to India. Thus, Columbus went westward and discovered America, while Vasco da Gama went around Africa and reached India. Did you understand? Ptolemy is also one of the map maker. Like that, another one of the famously known as the in the 16th century. We will take better example for the in the 16th century Dutch cartographer. Who was the Dutch cartographer Gerardus Mercator. Gerardus Mercator, the father of the Dutch cartography. Who was Gerard Mercator, the father of the Dutch cartography, who examined the previous works and did much original work on maps. Mercator devised a method for showing the correct shapes and directions of continents, but with the distortion of sizes and distances. This method called the Mercator's projection. Mercator's projections. I will explain you. What is Mercator's projection? What is Mercator's projection? The father of the Dutch cartography. Who was Mercator? The father of the Dutch cartography. Dutch cartography or cartographer, who examined the previous works and did much original works on maps and hard work about maps. Maps. He was hard work about the maps. Mercator devised method for showing the correct shapes and directions of continents, showing the what is the importance of the Mercator? Showing the correct shapes and sizes and directions of continents, but with distortions. But distortions means differences, but with differences of sizes and distances. This method called the Mercator's projection. This method is still nowadays also used. It is very Mercator's projection, famously known as the Mercator's projection. Mercator's projection famously known as the Mercator's projection. That's why we will learn. What did I say? First of all, difference between the cartography and cartographer, and also about the Al-Idrisi we have learned. Al-Idrisi. Who was Al-Idrisi? Al-Idrisi was a Arab map maker. Arab map maker. Like that, another one important person. One other important map maker of the father of the Dutch cartography. Who was the father of the Dutch cartography? I am asking you. I would like to ask you. Who was the father of the Dutch cartography? The father of the Dutch cartography who examined the previous works and did much original work on maps. Who was Mercatus? Mercatus. Mercator's projection is famously known as the Mercator's projection. Mercator's projection. Did you understand? Another important, the 16th century Gerardus. Already I told you. We have learned about that. The next, uses of maps in our times. What is the importance of the maps? You know very well. Already I told you. It is very useful to us. It is easily find out. We can locations on the maps. Sea routes also easily find out. And one country to another country routes also we can find out easily, like that. Nowadays, maps uses of in our times. In this lesson, from this lesson will be given. Maps uses of in our times. What is the uses of in our times maps? Maps uses for in our times for the trading purpose. Prepared the trading purpose or sailing purpose. One country to another country. One country, we are going to always our trading purpose. One country to another. That's why our plans purpose, bridges plans purpose, like buildings plans purpose. We have to use nowadays or in our times we have to use maps. That's why it is very important for us. It is very useful for us. That's why maps are very essential for us. These are very helpful to us. Did you understand about that the maps? Next, another one like that, another important one thing, we have new thing learn about that. For the in the olden days, explorations purpose prepared the maps, and the colonization purpose uses the maps, and military use purpose the uses of the maps, like that. I will explain you about that the James Runnel, another important person of the James Runnel. Who was James Runnel? Who was James Runnel? I will explain you. When the British established their power in India, they began making detailed maps of the interiors of the country. They established a department called Survey of India. Who was established? British established Survey of India. British established Survey of India. It is one of the department. Who was established this department? Who was established? British established Survey of India department. This one is very most important to survey the entire country and prepare maps. James Runnel was appointed by James Runnel. Who was James Runnel? James Runnel was appointed by Britishers. Was appointed by Britisher Surveyor General. Who was James Runnel? Surveyor General of India. He was prepared first India map. First in ancient India map. In ancient period India map. Survey based maps of India. Like that. Who was prepared? Another important thing, what is an atlas? Atlas, today's topic, we will learn about the atlas. What is an atlas? Atlas is a collection of maps. Atlas is a book of maps. Atlas is a book of maps. That's why symbols also we have to use. What is the meaning of the conventional symbols? Later we will learn about the conventional symbols. What are conventional symbols? What are conventional? Commonly used preparing maps purpose. These are very useful tasks. That's why commonly using symbols are called the conventional symbols. Meaning of the conventional symbols. Next, when map makers usually use their own symbols, some symbols are used conventionally by most map makers. Like that. We will learn about the conventional symbol. Some symbols also I will show you. Now we are going again. What we have learned from this lesson, or what we have learned new things, today's topics from the. Already I told before lesson Sumerians about that the and Babylonians about that the who were earliest map makers. Sumerians were earliest map makers, and Babylonians also earliest wall map makers. What is the difference between the? These are the Sumerians are the first earliest map makers. Babylonians are the later will come and first world map makers. Babylonians wall map like a imagine like a round disc, like a CD type of the between the in ancient India picture also I will show you. Like that. Now we will today's topics we will learn things between difference between the cartography and cartographer. And another important when we are maps preparing time, we have to use contour lines also. Contour lines. What are contour lines? What are contour lines? Meaning of the contour lines. Contour is a line joining the places with equal heights. It is very useful to when we are maps preparing time. That's why. Did you understand about that? Did you understand about that? What I told you, number of topics I told you. First one cartography and cartographer. Second one alliteracy, Arab map maker. About that, the another one important map makers, Greek map makers also have. Greek map makers also have. Period of the During the period of the Arab map makers after Greek makers, geographers like Anaximander and Ectatus of Miletus now in Turkey, and Herodotus also prepared world maps by arranging places from east to west and north to. Difference between now we are when we are upper part north, bottom part south. Greeks prepared but upper part south and bottom part north, like that prepared. Anaximander and Ectatus and Herodotus. These are very popular map makers of the Greek nation. Did you understand about that? Did you understand? All of you understand about that? Thank you very much. Thank you all.